Rama Bolo, Rama Bolo, 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 Ram. So welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I play Rama Bolo. This version is by Krishna Das. I think it's on harmonium originally. That's what he plays on usually. There's other instruments in it, but this is just an acoustic version, an acoustic arrangement. So it's all finger picking. Of course, you can use the pick if you want to, up to you, but I think it sounds a little nicer with finger picking, and that's the way I'm going to show you now. Okay, you can substitute. So let's go through the chords first. C. I'm in regular tuning, by the way. F. D minor. And G. And I'm playing the G without the first finger on. You can play with the first finger, it doesn't matter. I just don't play that string so that I don't put it on, okay? So that's all the chords in the whole song. Very simple, right? So let's get started. The finger picking pattern is 5, 4, 3, and 2 together. I'm talking about the strings here. So 5th string, 4th string, 2nd and 3rd together, and 4th. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. And then before I go to the next chord, I just hit the 5 again, the 5th string, so it sounds like the bass notes are following. Like that, just so it feels like the bass notes are running, right? So. Then 5, and then we switch to the F chord, so same thing, except we're using the 6th string first. So it's going to be 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. Same as before, except the 6th string instead of the 5th. So. Okay. Then back to the C. Same picking pattern. Then D minor. It's going to be, this one's going to be the same thing, but just on different strings again. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, and 1, and 3. So 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd and 1st together, and then the 3rd. So. Then G, just like the F, 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. 6th string, 4th string, 3rd and 2nd together, and 4th. And then back to C. So that's the whole song, and I'll show you how I play it now. So now I'll give you a rundown of how many times it is on everything. So I play 8 times on the C. You go through the 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, this. 8 times on the C chord. Then F chord 2 times. C 2 times. 1 time on D minor. 1 time on G, and 1 time or 2 times back on the C. And that's the way I would play the intro. So I would do 8 times C, 2 Fs, 2 Cs, 1 D minor, and 1 G. So that's the way I would do the intro. 4 Cs, so C 4 times, F twice, C twice again, then D minor 1 time, and G 1 time. So for the intro, I would just do this first C 4 times, and I'll show you how I would do that now. So this is the intro. And that's the way I would do it. Now I'll show you how I would play it. The only difference that you might hear in between is those bass notes jumping. So the way I would do it is go C, then I would hit the 5th string 1 time, and then start on the F. And then the F, I would hit the 6th string one time and go back to C. Then the F, the 5th string again, and then go to the D. And then G. And that's all. I don't do it between the D minor and the G. So C, 5, 6. See? 6, 5. Then 5, 4. And that's it. Now I'll show you. Rama Bolo, Rama Bolo, 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 Ram. F. Rama Bolo, C. Rama Bolo, 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 Ram. And then I would change to Sita. So I'll put the words all in the bottom here in a PDF for you, okay? Sita Bolo, Sita Bolo, 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 Ram. Switching to F. Sita Bolo, Si, Sita Bolo, D minor, Solo, G, Bolo, Ram, C. And Hanuman, I'll put that in the notes as well. Hanuman Bolo, Hanuman Bolo, 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 Ram. And switching to F. Hanuman Bolo, Si, Hanuman Bolo, D minor, Bolo, G, Bolo, C, Ram, Ram. And that's it, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. That was a really simple one, pretty short actually, and yeah, I think we've covered everything. And you can see the way I play it. I have the Rama Bolo full acoustic version on my channel. It's probably done down a half a step if I remember correctly. If it is, then you could just put a capo on the 1st fret, or you can also tune your guitar down a half a step, or just bring it up and play it as I'm showing you here. Okay, and that's the whole song. So thanks for joining me, guys. And if you have any questions about pronunciation or something about the lyrics, I'll do the best I can to help you with that. Or any songs you want to see on here, any tutorials, lessons, any questions, what you're working on, let me know. Okay. So thanks for practicing with me today, and have a good one.